Hello children, hope you are all doing good. So in the previous class they are learnt about estimation of numbers, right? So simply rounding off to the nearest tens, nearest hundreds, and also we are learnt about rounding off to the nearest thousands, right? So let us learn to round off to the nearest 10,000, lakh, okay, 10 lakh and crore. Okay children, so let us do the third sum. Okay, write this question in your classwork notebook. Take your classwork notebook first. Put today's date. Write the question number 3. Round off the following to the given nearest place. Okay, so third question. So 86,943. Okay children. So we are going to round off this to the nearest 1000. Okay children. So let us round off. So let us write, okay, rounding off to the nearest 10,000, okay, nearest 10,000. Okay children, so first of all write the same number, okay, so 86,943, okay, 86,943, okay, write the place value, okay, so it's ones, tens, okay, let me write here, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, okay children, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, okay children, so we are going to round off to the nearest 10,000s, okay children, so we are going to round off this place, 8. Okay, so if you are going to round off 10,000s place means what we need to do? We need to take the next digit, okay, next digit nearest to the 10,000s place, okay, that is 6, right? So we need to take 6 and we need to check whether the 6 is greater than or less than 5. Is this greater than or less than 5? Greater than 5. Is it children? So what we need to do? We need to add plus 1 in 10,000s place. Okay children? So the answer we are getting is, so 8 plus 1, 9, okay, 90,000, okay children, 90,000. Can you all understood? Therefore, we are getting the answer as 90,000, okay. So copy it in your classwork notebook, very easy, right? So pause the video and write, okay children. So after completing this, write the fourth one. Okay children, see the next question. So it is given 50,81,739. Okay children, so 50,81,739. We are going to round off to the nearest lakhs. Okay, so how will you round off? So let us write rounding off to nearest lakh. Okay, rounding off to nearest lakh. Okay, so just write the same number, 50 lakhs 81,739. Okay children, so we are going to round off the lakhs place, right? So let us write the place value. So it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, we are having up to 10 lakhs, so that we are going to round off on the lakhs place. So this one is lakhs place. Okay children, so if you are going to round off lakhs place means what we need to do? We need to take the next digit, okay, next digit to the lakh. Okay, so what's the next digit? 8, is it? So we need to check whether this 8 is greater than or less than 5. Is this greater than or less than 5? Greater than 5. So children, so that we need to add plus 1 in lakhs place. So what will be the answer? Therefore, we will get 51 lakhs. Okay children, simply we need to change a difference in the lakhs place. Okay, we need to change the difference, we need to add plus 1 in lakhs place, and before that if you are having any digits we need to write the same digit. Okay children, நம்ம round off பண்ண போற digitக்கு plus 1 பண்ண போறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி digits இருந்தா அது அப்படியே எழுதிக்கணும். Okay children, so that 51 lakhs and then remaining all the digits, for all the digits we need to put 0. So how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay children, so 51 lakhs is the answer. Okay children, so copy it in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. So after completing this, write the next one, fifth one in your classwork notebook. Okay. Okay children, see the next one. So just say the place value. So it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore. Okay. So 33 crore, 75 lakhs, 98,482. Okay. 33 crores. Okay. 33 crores, 75 lakhs, 98,482. Okay children. So let us round off. Okay. So it's right. We are going to round off this to the nearest 10 crore. Okay. Nearest 10 crore. Okay children. So rounding off to the nearest 10 crore. Okay children. So let us write the digits. So 33 crore, 75 lakhs, 98,482. Okay. So we have written. So first of all, what we need to do? We need to write the place value. Okay. So it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Okay children. So we are having up to 10 crore. We are going. The question is to round off up to 10 crore. Okay. So the nearest 10 crore. So this is the place of 10 crore. Is it children? So we are going to round off that 10 crore. Okay. 3 in 10 crores place. So for that, what we need to do? We need to choose the nearest number to that 10 crore. So which is the nearest number? That is crore. That is 3, right? So that like we need to check whether 3 is greater than or less than 5. Is this greater than or less than 5? Less than 5. Is it children? So that what we need to do? Simply we are going to write the same number. Okay. So what we need to do? 30 crore. Okay. 30 crore is the answer. Okay. We need to write 30 crore. Okay. It is less than 5. Okay. The 5 விட less இருக்கு. அப்ப நம்ம +1 add பண்ண முடியாது. So that we need to write the same term. Okay. 3. And after for all the digits we need to put 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So for 8 digits we need to put 8 zeros. Okay children. So it is 30 crore. Okay children. So therefore we will get the answer as 30 crore. Okay children, copy this in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay. So after completing this, write the example sum. Okay. Example 1.14. Okay children. Children, write this question on your classwork notebook. Okay. Example 1.14. So let us read the question. The amount deposited by a gold merchant. Okay, a gold merchant is depositing his money in the bank. Okay, in the month of January. Okay, in the month of January is 17,53,740. Okay, children. And in the month of February is 15,34,300. Okay, estimate the sum and difference of the amount deposited to the nearest 1,000. Okay children. So here deposited in 2 months, January and February. We are going to find the sum and the difference of the amount. Okay children. Difference of the amount, and for we need to find the estimation also. Okay children. So let us find. So let us write solution. Okay, solution. First of all, what we need to do? First of all, write the, we are going to estimate to the nearest 1,000. Okay children. So rounding off to the nearest 1,000. Okay, let us write like this and let us start writing. Okay, so the amount deposited in the month of January. Okay children. Amount deposited. So let me put a box. Okay. Let me put a box, and in that box let me write. So first of all, amount deposited in January. Amount deposited in January. So what is the amount deposited in January? Rupees 17 lakhs 53,740. Okay children, the amount deposited in January is 17 lakhs 53,740. It is the actual amount. Okay, write the heading as actual amount. And the next is estimated amount. Okay, estimated amount. Okay children, so what is the estimation of this? We need to round off to the nearest 1000, right? So let us write the place value here. So it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So children, so we are going to round off to the nearest 1000. Okay, so it's ones, tens, hundreds, and it's 1000, right? So it is thousands place. We are going to round off this place. So what we need to do? We need to choose the next. Okay, we need to take the next digit to the thousands place. So it is 7. Okay, we need to check whether the 7 is greater than or less than 5. Is it greater than or less than 5? It is greater than 5. So children, so that we need to add plus 1. Okay, so let us write the digit. Let us write the estimated amount. 17 lakhs 54,000. Okay children, so 17 lakhs 54,000. Okay children, so let us write the amount deposited in February. Okay, so amount deposited in February. Okay, so what is the amount deposited in February? How much? 15 lakhs. Okay, 15 lakhs 34,300. Okay, 300. Okay children, so this is the amount deposited in February. Okay, so let us round off this. Already we have returned the place values, right? So it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. We are going to round off to the nearest thousands. Okay, so this one is thousands place. So children, so we are going to round off this thousands place, so that we need to take the next digit. Okay, that is 3. So we need to check whether this 3 is greater than or less than 5. Is this 3 is greater than or less than 5? Less than 5. The children, so that what we need to do? We need to write the same, okay, same thousands place, and after that we need to put zeros. Okay, so let us write. So 15 lakhs 34,000. Is it clear? 15 lakhs 34,000. Okay, it is less than 5. So that we need to put the same digits. 15 lakhs 34,000. Okay children, after that we need to put zeros. Okay, so what we need to do? We are going to estimate the sum and difference, okay, of the nearest amount. Okay, sorry, amount deposited to the nearest 1000. Okay, so let us find the addition and subtraction. Okay children, let us find the sum and difference. Okay, so first of all, let us find the addition. Okay, let us find the sum for the actual amount. Okay, let me rub this place values. Okay, let us add. So how will you add? 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 3, 10. Is it children? So put 0 and 1 here. Okay, and 1 here. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, and then 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, and then 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, 2 and then 1 on the top. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay children, so that we got 32,88,040. Okay children, so the total of the actual amount is 32,88,040. Okay children, so let us find the difference. Okay, so let us find the difference in this column. Just hide this one. So 0 minus 0, 0. So let me hide this one. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, 7 minus 3, 4. The children. Okay, 7 minus 3, 4. And then 3 minus 4, we can't, right? So that we need to take borrow. So this 3 becomes 13 and 5 become 4. Okay, so 13 minus 4, 9, is it? So 9. 4 minus 3 will get 1. 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, and then 1 minus 1, 0. So 2,19,440 is the difference. Okay, 2,19,440. Okay children, so let us find the sum and difference for the estimated amount. Okay. Okay children, let us add the estimated amount. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 and again 0. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay children, and 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay children, so 32,88,000. Okay, 32,88,000 is the estimated sum. Okay, so let us find the difference. Okay, estimated amounts difference. Okay, just simply hide this one and let us subtract. Okay, don't see this, just subtract these two. So 0 minus 0, you will get 0. Okay, 0 minus 0, again 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, 7 minus 5, again 2. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. So that what will you get? 2,20,000 is the estimated difference. Okay, 2,20,000. Okay children, these are all the amounts. Okay, so just mention rupees. Okay, it's rupees. It is also rupees. Okay, so copy this in your classwork notebook. Very easy, right? We need to find the actual, okay, actual sum and actual difference, and also estimated amounts difference, sum and estimated amounts difference. Okay children, so copy this in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay children, so after completing this, write the fourth question in your exercise. Okay, fourth sum in exercise. Children, see the fourth sum. Have you all done this question? Okay, write this question in your classwork notebook. Okay, so let us read this question. Estimate the sum of 1,57,826 and 32,469. Okay, rounded off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, children. First of all, we are going to find the round estimation of this number and estimation of this number, and we are going to find the sum of that. Okay, let us do. Okay children, so solution. So first we are going to round off to the nearest 10,000. Okay children, so rounding off to the nearest 10,000. Okay children, rounding off to the nearest 10,000. Now what we need to do? We need to find the sum. Okay, so 1,57,826. Okay, let us write the place value chart. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay children, so 1,57,826. Okay children. So okay children, so let us estimate this. We are going to find the nearest 10,000. The children, so this is the 10,000 place. Okay children, so we are having 1,57,826. Okay, and also we are having 32,469. Okay, 32,469. Okay children, so we are going to round off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, so just mark the 10,000's place. It is 10,000 place, and it is, sorry, it is 10,000's place, right? So 5 is 10,000's place and 3 is 10,000's place. Okay, let us write the estimated number. Okay, so if you are going to round off to the 10,000's place means we need to check the next digit, right? So let us check whether the 7 is greater than or less than 5. Is this greater than or less than 5? Greater than 5. So that we need to add plus 1. Okay, so the estimated number will be 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Okay children, so you will add plus 1, right? So 5 becomes 6. Okay, and after that we need to put 4 zeros. Okay, so we got 1,60,000. Okay children, and let us see the next one. So we are going to round off the 10,000's place. So it is 3. So we need to check the place of 2. Okay, the next digit. So let us check whether this 2 is greater than or less than 5. It is less than 5, right? So that we need to write the same digit. So that is 30,000. Okay children, so let us write 30,000. Okay, so what we need to do, estimate the sum. We are going to find the sum, right? So let us find the sum. So what is the sum? So we need to find the estimated number sum. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, again 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, and 1. So 1,90,000 is the estimated sum. Okay children, so copy this in your classbook notebook. So after completing this, write the 6th question in your classbook notebook. Okay. Children, write the 6th question in your classbook notebook. Okay, it is in page number 22. Okay, let us read the question. The population of a city was 43,43,645. Okay, 43,43,645 in the year 2001. Okay children, so it was in the year 2001, and 46,81,087 in the year 2011. Okay, so we are going to estimate the increase in population by rounding off the nearest 1,000. So what we need to do children? Simply, if you are having 5 chocolates with you today, okay, you are not you didn't eat that, and again tomorrow your father had given again 2 chocolates. Okay, so totally in the next day you are having 7 chocolates. So how much you have? How many chocolates are increased? So it is 2 chocolates, right? 2 chocolates. So how did you find 2 chocolates are increased? We need to subtract 7 minus 5. Is it children? So 7 minus 5, that is 2. So that is the thing we are going to do. Okay children. So in 2001 the population is 43 lakhs something. Okay. In 2011 the population is 46 lakhs. Okay. So we are going to find the increased population. Okay. Increased population is what we need to do. We are going to subtract. Okay. Subtract and find the estimation for that. Okay children. So subtraction means we need to write the greater number at the first, right? So this one is the greatest number. So that in 2011, okay, we are going to round up to the nearest 1,000. So that just write rounding off to the nearest 1,000. Okay children, so just draw a box and population in year. Okay, so the population in year 2011. Okay, in 2011 the population is 46,81,087. Okay, so in 2001 what is the population? 2001 what is the population? 43,43,645. Okay children, so we have returned the populations of 2 years. Okay, so we are going to find the estimation for this. Okay, so we are going to round off to the nearest 1,000. So let us write the place value. It's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, children. So, which is the thousands place? Okay, this one is thousands place and this one is thousands place. Okay, children. So, if you are going to round off this place, means what we need to do? We need to check the number which is in the next to that. Okay, so 0. So, let us check whether the 0 is greater than or less than 5. Is this 0 is greater than or less than 5? Less than 5, right? So, that we need to put the same digit. Okay, so 46 lakhs 81,000. Okay, for all these digits we need to put zeros. Okay, so 46 lakhs 81,000. Okay, children, so it is the estimated population of 2011. And 2001, what is the population? So let us check. Okay, so thousands place is 3. So that we need to take the, we need to see the next digit. So that is 6. Okay, so let us check whether 6 is greater than or less than 5. Is this greater than or less than 5? Greater than 5. So that we need to put plus 1. Okay, we need to add plus 1. So what will you get? 43 lakhs. 40, sorry, it is 3 plus 1, 4, right? So 44,000. Okay, children. So now we are going to find difference. Is that, children? So what is the difference? So estimated difference. Okay, children. So let us find. So we are going to find the difference. Okay. So estimate the increase in population by rounding off to the nearest 1,000, right? So that we just rounded this into nearest 1,000 and we are going to find the increase. Okay, that is we are going to find the difference between these two. So 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, again 0. And 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 4, we can't. So that we are just borrowing. Okay. So this 8 becomes 7 and 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 4. So 7. Okay, 7. Okay, 7 minus 4. So sorry. 3, right? 4, 6, 7. Okay, children. So 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 3, we will get 3. And 4 minus 4, 0. Is it, children? So it is. So what is the estimated difference? Estimated increase? 3,37,000. Okay, children. Copy this in your classwork notebook. Okay, children. So that's all about today's class. Let me give you today's homework. Okay. Children, note today's homework. Okay, it is in page number 21. It is exercise 1.4, fifth sum. Okay. Okay, see the fifth question. Estimate by rounding off each other to the nearest 100. Okay, so we are going to round off these two numbers to the nearest 100 and then you need to find the sum, estimated sum, okay, for these two sums. Okay, children. So do your homework properly. Okay, children. Thank you.